Up on their heels to demolish the cobweb of Pakistan-aided terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir, Indian security forces launched series of counter-terrorism operations this week, neutralizing around 20 terrorists. The Jammu Kashmir police also achieved another success by breaking a significant terror funding network. The police busted a big narco-terrorism module as they recovered large quantity of heroin along with Indian currency and arrested 3 terrorists associated with Lashkar-e-Taiba who were operating at the commands of Pakistani handlers. A report. Indian Army Paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force and Jammu and Kashmir Police are jointly carrying out series of operations to uproot the Pakistan-established network of terrorism from the Kashmir Valley. As Kashmir's Shopian district remained the point of action this week, the security forces jointly launched several search operations based on specific inputs about terrorists in various areas of the district. After neutralizing 5 terrorists in Reban village of Shopian on 7th of June, the security forces laid a cordon in Pinjori village of Shopian district where they neutralized 9 terrorists on June 8th in a 2-day-long encounter. After neutralizing 5 terrorists in Reban village of Shopian on 7th of June, the security forces laid a cordon in Pinjori village of Shopian district where they neutralized 9 terrorists on June 8th in a 2-day-long encounter. Later on 10th June, a gun battle broke out in Sugu area of Shopian as the Indian Army, Paramilitary Central Reserve Police and Jammu and Kashmir Police jointly launched a search operation based on specific inputs about the presence of terrorists in the area. The forces killed another 5 terrorists on 10th of June in Shopian, taking the total tally of neutralized terrorists to 19 within 4 days. Media reports suggest that over 20 terrorists, including 8 top commanders, have been neutralized in the Kashmir Valley in the last 15 days.
The radical elements, non-state actors, whatever you call them, cross-border terror, criminals, whatever the name is, they are also increasing their activities, but we must appreciate the security forces. They are doing a commendable job. They have written off close to 9 terrorists, 9 of these people in the last 24 hours, and in the last 2 weeks or so, they have over 27 to 30 have been eliminated. This is a very good figure. It's a very good going, and we must admit that their efficiency, their coordination, their intelligence analysis, their intelligence gathering, and their morale, it shows very well that how it is. There is no doubt about it that the elements which are supporting these terrorists across the border, they are getting very demoralized, and they are actually they are hard put to answer, and they do not know where the answer lies for this. They are actually on the run.
In another breakthrough in an unarmed anti-terrorism action, Jammu and Kashmir police busted a huge narcotics terror module sponsored by Pakistan and arrested 3 Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorist associates in Hanwara town of Gudwara district. The police also recovered 21 kg heroin and rupees 1.34 crore Indian currency, total worth over rupees 200 crore, from the possession of Lashkar operatives. According to police, the module was in contact with their handlers based out of Pakistan and was involved in drug trade and assisting financially to active terrorists of proscribed terror outfit Lashkar. It was working for LET outfit to strengthen the activities in the valley, besides misguiding and motivating the local youth to join terror folds. The drugs were procured from across the line of control and were to be sold in different states to promote terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab.
आज हंदवाड़ा पुलिस ने एक बड़ा पाकिस्तान स्पॉन्सर्ड नार्को टेरर मॉडल को बस्ट किया हमने। इसके साथ 3 लश्कर-ए-तोयबा का टेरर एसोसिएट्स को भी गिरफ्तार किया हमने। उसका कब्जे से टोटल 21 केजी हेरोइन, जिसकी मार्केट वैल्यू 100 करोड़ के बराबर है, और 1.34 करोड़ का इंडियन करेंसी बरामद की।
The high-handedness of Indian security forces over Pakistan's vicious network of terrorism and the country's depleting economy has left the country bewildered. As its trained terrorists are only seeing the face of defeat and death, the money being pushed into the terror network is adversely charging the country. Use of narcotics for terror funding by Pakistan's ISI is being seen as a trick to avoid being traced back. But to its much disappointment and humiliation, even the narco-terror network of Islamabad stands exposed now as the Indian security forces have upped their arms against Pakistan-sponsored terrorism at all fronts.
Since Pakistan is becoming broke, they are paying all their agents over here in India through heroin and other hard drugs. That way, they are ensuring that they are not traced back, the amount is not traced back to them, because after NIA started going after the money trail and arrested a lot of hawala handlers and a lot of traders also who were complicit with Pakistan ISI and Pakistan government in channeling and funneling the money from Pakistan to the agents over here and the militants in Kashmir. They have now decided to use hard drugs as a source of payments, and this arrest of these three people is a proof to that.
At a time when the countries are making an integrated approach to face the challenge of COVID-19 pandemic, Pakistan is focusing on its strategies to spread terrorism in its neighbor and across the globe. Pakistani army generals, who are the real masterminds behind most of the terror attacks, believe that the world won't notice their devious plans amid the pandemic outbreak. But to their surprise, not only all the diabolic activities are being monitored, but are being given a befitting reply by the Indian forces.